Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Focalboard on AlmaLinux 9. First, update the system. Next, enable Nginx by running the following command. Continue to install PostgreSQL. Next, run the following command to download and extract the Focalboard. Then, configure the Focalboard. Continue to create a systemd service. Run the following command to enable and start the service. Next, configure Nginx reverse proxy. Then, test and reload Nginx by running the following commands. Now, open your browser and go to the following URL to access the Focalboard web interface.